The rotating pickup reel gently lifts loose hay from the field and feeds it into the baler, while minimizing crop loss. The rotating auger gathers hay across the pickup width and guides it smoothly toward the feeder opening for the next stage. The feeder fork pushes each bundle of hay into the bale chamber, then retracts before the plunger begins the next compression stroke. The crankshaft drives the plunger forward, compressing each bundle of hay against the growing bale before retracting for the next cycle. Each plunger stroke adds another layer of hay. As the bale grows, the chamber's tension rails maintain its shape and increase its density. As the bale grows, a star wheel measures its length. When the preset size is reached, it automatically engages the knotter drive. The knotter drive lifts the needles around the bale. Rotating bill hooks tie secure knots, and the twine knives cut the strands before the mechanism resets. Each new compression stroke pushes the growing bale forward, allowing the completed bale to slide smoothly out through the discharge chute. A square baler continuously lifts, compresses, measures, and ties loose hay into dense, uniform bales ready for transport and storage.